If you are looking for the best gooseneck kettle, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Coffee Gator Gooseneck Kettle. The Coffee Gator coffee brewing kettle covers both these areas thanks to a built-in temperature gauge and a precision flow spout. The thermometer is fastened to the lid and has a shaded area over the optimal brewing temperature of 195 to 205 degrees. Customers add that the spout has a consistent flow rate and is easy to maneuver. There's also a great deal of praise for the handle, which is sturdy, ergonomic, and always stays cool to the touch. The coffee brewing kettle comes at a reasonable price. Number 2. Bean Envy Gooseneck Coffee Kettle. This budget pick has everything you could ask for in a gooseneck kettle: a grooved handle that stays cool to the touch, a wide lid for easy cleaning, and of course that signature curved spout. The item even has a thermometer on top of the lid. Extra handy for coffee drinkers, as there's a green area over the ideal temperature range for a pour-over brew, 195 to 205 degrees. Customers give the Bean Envy Gooseneck pour-over kettle high marks across the board, especially for its ease of use and value for money. Number 3. Bodum 11883-259 US Gooseneck Water Kettle. Bodum has a long history of manufacturing affordable non-electric coffee makers, particularly French presses, and the company applied its signature touch in crafting this simple, lightning-fast kettle. Electric kettles are usually the more expensive variety. But this costs less than many stovetop ones. Between its budget price and ease of use, the Bodum BonJour is a great beginner option for those new to gooseneck kettles. Part of the reason it heats up so quickly is that it is on the smaller side, however, holding only 27 ounces of water. Number 4. Bonavita Variable Temperature Electric Kettle. The Bonavita Variable Temperature Gooseneck Kettle lets users program water to their exact desired temperature between 140 and 212 degrees. You can even watch it heat degree by degree thanks to the real-time temperature display. Once hot, the kettle can maintain water temperature for up to 1 hour. While there's a lot to like regarding convenience and versatility, there are a couple of areas of concern as well. Many users cite rust issues inside the kettle after prolonged use. Some also mention that the 20-inch cord is frustratingly short. Number 5. BonJour Copper Base Gooseneck. The majority of gooseneck kettles hold around 1 liter of water, but this BonJour kettle doubles that capacity, clocking in at a whopping 2 quarts. It's an excellent option for those who have large pour-over coffee makers, or for those who are never satisfied with a single cup of tea. The BonJour kettle can be used on all stovetops, though some users experienced wear underneath the base after long-term use. While the spout is certainly an upgrade over standard kettles, this one isn't quite as precise as other, thinner gooseneck models. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.